Alright. Okay, so this is mango. Well, I don't say that. Where's the second game go? Because they have 4 games, so 2 games. Then yeah. Okay, let's go. Local players to the second game. Mingle. So basically, when so you will get to the platform and it spins. When it stops spinning, it will call a number. Then it will show the rooms who are available. So you have to get to the room fast, under 30 seconds. Let if you run out of time, you will be eliminated. With that, let the game begins. This is an easy game. Yeah. Ooh, Choco. I don't know if this game good or not. Let's see. Let's just see. Let's just see. Let's take our chance out of this. Bro, what? Bro, I did not care about this game. Alright, let's go. Ring ding 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 ding. Ring ding 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 ding. Ring ding 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 ding. And la la ha. Where's the legend? Ha. Do 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 la do do chase it up. Put your seeds of sun. Hold it young. Ba la la the bees do 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 la. 5. Okay, 5. Okay, 3 of us. Well, actually, 5 of us. But what about these dudes over with us? Man, who care about them? Who care about them? Let's just go. Let's go. Let's get it, bro. Wait, who rooms is available? Room 1, room 3, and room 6. Room 6. Okay, let's go room 6. Let's go room 6 now. Bro, why not? Okay. A minute. Okay, let's go. Let's walk in. More walking, no talking. Come on. There's our hope. Let's get it. Alright. Boom. Alright, this closed now. Oh shoot. Who will go? Go. Okay. Let's go. Okay, wait a minute. Jeez. Okay, room 1 and 3 are safe. Let's go to room 1 first. Let's go to room 1. Come on, robot, go. We don't have time left. Go. Hey, bro. Yeah? Bro, robot, go. I hate robots like this be like this, bro. Robots in Bay 26 in Squid Game. Be like this also? Okay. Oh, what the heck? Don't mind my YouTube channel, but I know you're going to get it, so I don't care. I hate when they be like this, bro. Oh my god, bro. I hate when robots be like this in Big Toy 6. Oh, hey Pumpkin, yeah. How about you look away and I will, yeah, count to 3. Alright. 3, 2, 1. Ah! Ha sucker! Woo! Ha sucker! Woo! Oh no, you don't. 3, 2, 1. No. No. No, 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 no. Open the door! Open the door! Oh no, I'm done for. How could you? Dang, where did his head go? Per 3 unlimited. Yo, how did I get through? I don't know. Okay. The first round will not. The second round will begin. Everyone, please go back to the platform. Walk. Bro, why robot is so slow, bro? I swear when robot be like this, bro. I swear. Bro. And all they have to do is just, yeah. Me all this dude going up the top. Dang, I hate when they keep doing this, bro. I really did not do anything. Like, bro, I think I need to delete a game because, like last time when I figured out, it was a game that take it off the space.
Yo, dog, can I have $100?
No?
Please, I need gas. I lost my job.
Bro, you need to ask Bridget. You can get anywhere between $25 and $500. No credit checks, no interest, no late fees.